Formosa was a former name of Taiwan. In Portuguese, it means beautiful island. It is located in the southeast coast of Asia between the archipelagic countries of Japan and Philippines. The country has been attracting millions of tourists every year. Here are the top 20 interesting things that you should enjoy in Taiwan. First on the list, every tourist has to do a courtesy call to Taiwan's highest skyscraper, the Taipei 101. The Taipei 101 has been the tallest building since 2004 to 2010, but now it only ranked 9th in the world's tallest. To have a better view from afar of the Taipei 101, hike up the Elephant Mountain. You'll see not only Taiwan's tallest building, as well as beautiful scenery of Taipei's cityscapes. Taipei 101. Inside the Taipei 101 building is the well-known Din Tai Fung restaurant, which is the first branch in the world. Fill up your stomach and have a glimpse of this first Taiwanese restaurant to ever win a Michelin star. Try out their world-famous Xiao Long Bao. Xiao Long Bao is a type of Chinese steam bun dish, traditionally prepared in Xiao Long, a kind of small bamboo steaming basket. Enjoy the burst of its different flavor. Truffle Xiao Long Bao is my favorite.
So this is how you eat the Xiao Long Bao.
The Xiao Long Bao is best eaten upon pricking the bun first to let the savory liquid soup come out. Complement it with ginger slices and mix your soy and vinegar sauce. Spare at least 1 hour waiting time before you enter the restaurant because they do not allow advanced booking or reservations. Not having much time and patience? Head up to the Rawhead night market and be amazed of the enormous food varieties that they offer. Have some bunch of the different kinds of dim sum, grilled stuff, and if you're brave enough, try out these bizarre foods that could surprise your gluttons. Stinky Tofu is one of the most remarkable and peculiar dish Taiwan is being proud of. Remember that there is no harm in trying. My favorite food in the Rawhead night market is the toasted savory meat-filled bun. It's located just right at the entrance of the night market. The Shanghai Shek Hall is one of the top destinations in Taipei. Never to miss out visiting this place for because you will also see here the National Theater, the National Concert Hall, the Liberty Square, and the Democracy Square right behind the main gate center. Walk randomly on the streets of Taipei. Taipei has been regarded as the 4th safest city in the world in 2019, according to a certain research. So worry less if you get lost, don't mind asking for help because more and more locals already know how to speak English. Head up north of Taiwan and stop over at one of the premier destinations, the Yeliu Geopark. It is just an hour bus ride from Taipei. Wanting to visit this site? Hit me up in the comment section and I would be glad to help you find your way to Yeliu Geopark. This park is famous for its exclusive geological rock formations. Formations that stretches around 2 kilometers, shaped and designed by nature over 1,000 years of geological movements projecting out into the oceans. Never miss out the most precious rock formation, which is the Queen's Head. Another destination in the north is the Shifen Old Street. The Shifen Old Street is well known for its railways that transport coals in the olden times. If you're eager to get a glimpse of the old railroad that has been preserved, this is a bustling hub for you. On a specific note, Shifen is famous because of the Sky Lantern Festival. You can actually create your own lantern with your wishes written on it and set it into the sky. Still up in the north is the Jiufen Old Street. Jiufen is a small village crafted in the mountains off the coast of northeast Taiwan. It is also an hour bus ride from Taipei. In Jiufen, you'll be pretty much amazed of the different types of Chinese lanterns you will see hanging around. Be mesmerized and be captivated of these lanterns, especially during the evening. Another attraction that Jiufen offers is an array of foodstuff located in the alleys that snake around the area. Taiwan is renowned for its delightful milk tea.
We've ordered one bubble milk tea and one brown sugar milk.
Never miss out this drink upon arriving to the country. Just watch out your sugar and calorie intake. Always in a hurry, grab your food to go at every convenience store in Taipei. You'll be amazed they got all your favorite food. Walking late at night on the streets of Taipei, be adventurous enough and try out a random restaurant. Discover yourself how a food lover gets to select a dish off a foreign menu that you couldn't understand. Head to the western part of the country, the Taichung City, the second largest city in Taiwan. Oh yeah, don't forget to include on your list a ride from the Taiwan High-Speed Rail. It's one of the world's fastest trains. Drop by at the Zhongshe Flower Market and discover the different arrays of blooms right in the heart of the city. Girls, this is perfect for your Instagram post. Still in Taichung City, stop over at the famous Rainbow Village. The Rainbow Village is a tiny settlement created in the quest to avoid demolition. This is the story behind the vibrantly painted houses and streets of the community. Mr. Huang, or well known as Grandpa, still resides and owns the remaining 11 houses located in this tiny village. Thousands of tourists have been fascinated to visit this place because of its colorful and intriguing appeal. Last but not the least, be amazed how Taiwanese food is being prepared right in front of your eyes. Be amused and enjoy as it excites you while you wait for the food to touch your tongue and fill up your stomach. That's all for now. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. Also check out my other travel contents. See ya!